The youngsters need to eat far less than their father, so they've got time on their hands. They like to play for the same reasons we do, for fun, and it helps build long-lasting relationships. Their protector keeps a watchful eye on them. But then, it's time for his siesta. Something shatters the peace. This silverback's territory is one of the best, but it has borders with at least 8 other gorilla groups. The sound of chest beating travels more than a mile through the tangled understory. It's a territorial drumbeat. Everyone must know who is boss around here. Other, smaller primates are rather more secretive. One of the most unusual is found in Sulawesi, Indonesia. It lives among the aerial roots of this strangler fig. Its ancestors were daytime hunters, but they found that there was less competition if they looked for food in the twilight.